night stretch. For this, you will need a medium thickness band and some sort of support structure in which to loop it up around. So what I'll do is I'll loop this at about hip level, and then I'm going to step just one leg into it, placing it right around sort of the upper hamstring, right below the butt crease area. So from here, what you'll do is you'll step back, getting into that night pose, and just relax into the pose, letting the band do the work. So this is a much deeper stretch than the traditional night stretch because we're adding the band as providing the stimulus there. So you repeat on both sides, and to get out of this, just make sure you do so safely. And that right there is the banded night